This video is for teachers to use DocHub for their students to edit PDFs. You're going to need to go first to your Google Drive, and up here at the top left, you're going to click New, scroll down to where it says More, and then scroll down to the bottom of that menu and say Connect More Apps. Now you're going to want to search for DocHub, and it is green. It looks like this. Click on that and say Install. It is going to ask you a few questions. You will want to continue, choose your account, give it permissions. And this next pop-up is asking if you want to open with DocHub every single time you open a PDF. And that's a personal choice, but I'm going to deselect that. Say Done. Now, one important thing is that you do have to have your PDFs already in your drive for any of this to work. So if you don't have them in PDF form, transfer them to PDF form and then upload them all to your drive. I'm going to go to Classroom and show you how to attach those worksheets to Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my Classwork tab, create an assignment. And once I've created my assignment, I'm going to go ahead and add something from my Google Drive that is a PDF. Once I've found it, then I'm going to insert it, and you'll see it down here. Make sure you select this Make a Copy for each student. Finish editing your assignment as necessary, and then go ahead and assign. And now I'm going to go look in completed assignment and show you what it looks like from that point. So here I have one that 16 students have already done. I'm going to click on the 16 so that I can see their work. And I'm going to select the student that I'm interested in. And I can see right here where they have edited that. This was obviously a sample page that I made. And I can just take that and go ahead and grade it. Or if I want to respond to the student directly on their worksheet, I can open that with DocHub. It is going to ask, whose account am I using? I think it only does this the first time. This is because I have not used DocHub yet. So now I am seeing this student's work. See, there's already typing on there. And probably what you're going to want to do, although you could go ahead and type within that same text box, is select Add Text, and then you might even want to select a different color. Maybe you want all your stuff to show up in red. And I'm going to go ahead and add it over here. Oops, I apparently did not save that in red. Change it to red. I think I deselected it. One more time. Technical difficulties. I don't think it's selecting it. There we go. Okay, and then this little button right here allows you to move it. So I could put that right here. I could give them immediate feedback on that one answer. I accidentally put something there. I could delete it. Another thing you can do, you can highlight, you can draw freehand directly on the worksheet, add comments, white things out. So if you wanted to edit an existing PDF before you push that out to students, you can do any of these things on there beforehand. I'm going to add a star for the student, and I've already changed it yellow to yellow, but here I'm going to add a star, and then since that's a shape, I can expand it, make it nice and big, and then move it and let them see what a great job they did. And then at the end, I'm going to download to Drive, export to Drive to make sure that I'm saving the current version. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to close that out. And then I'm going to go into the student's work again. And you can see that I'm seeing the updated version with my edits over the top of theirs.